Go.
Yo, it's Kennedy Bobby Entertainment Kanameti when you are here with radio. Yeah, any other viewers I made kind of going on subscribing straight mono to our YouTube channel. Mahibet watching any other information no one to kid no. There is one news about the trending of Kanwe Nono. I may go to Shibedo Penye Kiriwigi, but right now at Unity FM, Unity Radio, the mother station, may not be based in Lira. I think the proprietor himself, Moneno, DJ Cool, DJ Boss, when you have a name, you have been your stories, John Paul Abeno Kato, so he's ready to clear the hair at the moment as I talk. Like Jodushu, Tenge, you are going on. You are making social media, you're posting a lot of things about him. Eka Jobedo when you don't response there, and Obedo Kachek the Mio Yohokano no. At the moment, cool. You're live on YouTube. Tamiromi your situation, Bedokache Kede, Jamo Kene Kimetia word Kede. Now, Obelo Hikomi, Nikabeda Mono, no, DJ Cool, take quarantine, no, you can't win, no.
Pelao, correct.
Yeah?
Pelao. That is a group of Okuiping or no.
Then you are talking.
Yes, that is just a group of Okuiping. And Anguni, you are new ping. They're always on my side. Yeah. That is my slogan. Tekini, Tehini Mara. Nuini bera ping. Kaidago ni bera ping. Period.
Yeah.
That's one thing in Kiriwi. When you like me, you are very informed, you are exposed, you are a style up person. When you hate me, you are this low class type of guys. The wannabes, Jamami to bedo ginagin poromo bedo. Man.
Yeah.
So ginjo no ename bedo spreading rumors and now chat spreading such rumors. Unfortunately, some haters became my friends.
Wow.
Because they didn't understand who I was.
Yeah.
I'm this unique guy. I do my own things in a different style.
A different style. I like that. Yeah.
It is you to adjust from when a unity and can unity ping. It's you to come up where I am. I don't need to come down to you. You get?
Yeah.
I don't do that. Look to win. You get that? Yes.
So,
you American coronavirus.
Yeah.
We are in Dubai. Women. As I told you, Dubai, the lot of can over Dubai. Women. And I United Kingdom, London. Cinnamon. Pabel Dubai. Cinnamon. And names you pong and in present Mahmoud Joe Dubai. You know, came to Dubai, I get passport, I take you to Dubai. Yes.
So which means
it's only $300 and you're in Dubai. Monoram is 1 million. Do you know?
Okay.
Hey, Inungunama me ping you mono Japan again. Rabu, Yini, I'm failure, then no from Dubai. Do you know? Ulai and that kind of thing.
So what are we trying to mean at the moment?
Anna do London, when Guinea. When USA had stopped all the European countries, may pay what US, except United Kingdom. Now, the Elena me achakokoboni, onaba kuldatiye. So, jopeti kere coronavirus, may settling scores. Pieni daga meeting adi konyu daga, ando joy gino kuipingi ukobonyati na pol. Tishi lim, kwa nyualo, baranyira jo, timongo. But I'm fit. Like I've always said, you are worried with Polo Pebe, Idiukala Papi, New Idiukala Toti, New Idiukaloni. 2 minutes. About you and a new when it will kill me. So my only advice to Joe Megan admiring and use me. Shagoko, use me.
Use me.
Use me. Kekitista anywhere you need advice, you need Ginora Nyerope, come to me. Connection, everything, use me. Because I'm highly connected. Do you mean?
Yeah.
So, that is my nature. You like me, Izuko. You like me, I like you. Don't like me, I don't like you. To me, you don't like me, I like you. You get?
Wow.
Yeah, that's my principle. my last message. Kang atu daga yin pay generating. Gino ba mane chani. Cha jote koni I was detained at Elway. Take the nyaho moro keno temo defending ano koni. Mani miru. Miru mene. Mene uberi chuari buru kere ana koni. I'm not that cheap guy. Wait a minute. I'm not the cheap guy. Wait a minute.
Yeah.
I'm a class.
Yeah.
Maybe
So,
yeah.
at the moment, as we talk, we know about DJ Cool. We are live on YouTube. Kennedy Bobby Entertainment. Moti Yekanwe no. So Cool.
Yeah.
Your last message to the people, to our viewers, how
I'm
there?
around. I'm in Lira. I've been working. I'm going home right now. Shower. I refresh myself. Then I come back to work because I love to work.
I love that.
And I don't have time for talking. I don't have that time.
Wow.
You know, and I
love
go about you and they will know when any neke. Ko yin enting man ting ame nuiti kiri komne at my age. So me
shows that you're working clean.
Yeah, let me tell you, and I do lao me konyu roka ya from kanagin yauti ye ping maybe no malu. So kana wu wor me wood learning then to bring new things to my people. I made job ala bully and numedo mara law because I'm fighting for them. Meto muje more dana more tigre. It's good to talk bad about me. You know, pingin penny angoan. Eto me kay ni bere a youth. I name it ni bed ngatore role model. No ngata you following. You follow me.
Wow.
I'm not here to destroy any young person in this town.
Wow.
I pay chawa no.
Yeah.
Hey. Kerenya homono kerengatro ame to teach. I still have line teach unity. Can binka company I can do this.
Yeah. Right. To all our viewers there, Tamu Winyuna Bemono Bedo DJ Cool. Yeah, DJ Boss. Nyang position kache kile jamu keno keno joyo kano bedo penya. Kubini keep it there logged. Mede kache kile subscribing. Follow us on YouTube. Mono Kennedy Bobby Entertainment. I may not put to mede kache kile kilo every new things here and there. Keep it there.